हेलो हेलो। Hello, hello. Can you hear though? I think you can hear. Can you hear though? That's the thing. I don't know if you can hear or not. Hasta ahí, quietas. Get stopped out. I did get stopped out. How's the volume though? Hello, can you hear? Feel like now you can hear. Yeah, price is too bullish. I just thought we can come to this 50% area of this 1 hour. If you mark from this side to this low, so the equilibrium is somewhere here. There's no bottom wick. We'll be looking for sells. Bad day to trade though. No entries here. I didn't know how much position to take. Long is better. Long is better. Even I thought I could take long, but I wasn't there during this time when market opened. They are accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We have higher time frame like divergence. Might take one more trade. That's it. We have SMT. Trade index as in what? Like indices. It's the same thing, bro. We are forming divergence. Yeah, even if I was like there during market open, I would have gone for longs. Blindly, I would have gone for longs. We'll see if we can get any entry. There's no things called as pips in indices. It's called as points. So there is micro and mini. It's a little hard though. If you go here, this is MES, which means micro S&P. Here the volatility the see if you press one, it's if 1 point if it moves, it's $2.50. And if it's on if there's no micro here and just S&P, one point is like $12. So 10 points difference is there. Shorts was right though. I just waiting for some entry. Too horrible market. If you are in buys, that would be better. Where can you buy? Like, what do you see? Um, I'll only trade retracement today. You're still having this divergence. So I'm a little more like bearish. What's happening? So and what happened? 2%, or it's fine. It's 1%. I was risking 1% though. How to manage this? This make risk to 50. Personally, if you're in longs, you can hold. I'll look for like small retracement for shorts because of this SMT divergence. If we have SMT divergence, I'm just waiting for some CIDs. Here we got, see, we didn't have SMT, but we inverse this gap, like nice volume push. I took it based on the retest of the inversion. I thought at least we'll come till this discounted area. But still following bullish markets. How do you get directional bias? Like, this is how I do. Go on, go on. Yeah, yeah, even I do that when I draw equilibrium. Go on daily time frame. What do you see? Previous candle close to bullish. Expecting buys today. Like open, make a bottom wave, push higher. So there's nothing in 4 hour. This market sucks though today. I don't know why. It's just consolidating and expanding. I'll actually do. I'll tell you how to do. How I do. It's not working. Mainly S&P is lagging, so eating double down while watching. Can my life peak more than this? Nah, bro. Happy birthday, though. Happy birthday. Say one for me, nigga. What is that? Yeah, having some moment. Okay. Now this divergence is still holding. Sorry, this bevel gap is still holding. But I feel like we're gonna dump from here. Okay. Let me enter with like one contract. If it gives me like more directions, then I'll look for like then I'll try to add more. Okay, the stop is somewhere. Where's the equilibrium? Somewhere here. This low looks nice. Yeah, add one more. The risk is less. If it gives me something, then I'll try adding. Yo, brother, what's your age? My age is 20. Is Aqua funded legit? I don't know. Let me see. I got it today. It looks legit though. Their website was too good. That's what made me buy. Are we inverting this? If we invert this cap, then I'll try entering more. Otherwise, we'll see if the SMT holds. Because we had, I just took it because we had this CISD. Oh, yeah, in partnership with them. Damn. I'd prefer top step. Even I'm thinking of that. Once if I get a payout or something, I'll switch to top step. They have like literally the same thing as this. Going against the direction, that's the only thing. We'll see if we can get any confirmation to look for sales. It's my first day though. I need to see how the contracts work. I got confused in the first trade. See, that's where is that? This trade, horrendous mistake. Happening. Nas just inverted this. They both are like behaving very differently. This is behaving way too different than S&P. I just want them to like align at least. Okay, we did take this high. See, we are forming like way bigger SMT divergence. Now for real, I need to learn SL placement. Like if I'm placing $250, SL shall be equal to $250. I'm trading against you. It's fine though. The bias is bullish. Even if I would have been in like, if I was there during market open, I would have looked for buys. This is just so easy accumulation, manipulation, distribution. This proper PO3 here. Voice chat as in, did we make equalize or did we take equal highs? There's another S&P here. I hate this price action. It sucks. Did you understand traders can chat finance? Yeah, bro, I did watch that. That's what I'm applying here, you know. Here. I've been watching that. But it's basically like this. What do you say? He trades SMT thousands. He looks for this 15-minute and he just trades that 15-minute direction. I did watch that. I watched that thrice, you know, just to understand. This price action sucks. What's happening? And like I can go to like 30 seconds chart. I want to like add more, but I'm not getting any reason to add more. Oh, you understood only the SMT. He basically like trades the retracement and he targets the 50% mark. That's it. See, let's say there's an SMT. Okay, this is what he teaches. There's an SMT. Okay, and he just targets this 50% of this hourly high and low. So if you mark from low to high, he marks out from every time frame though. If you look at the daily time frame, what is he's gonna do from here to here? Okay, so what where does he expect retracement from this? Okay, price pushes. He wanted from like from come here, and then he would have traded the downside like that. He trades here on 1 hour, mark low to high. He targets basically the 50% of the retracement. It goes against the trend, though. That's the thing. This price action sucks. Very choppy. Might be last trade for today. It's very bad though. There's literally no order in it. I wanted to trade this candle from here to here. Yeah, I think mm, today it's behaving too differently. Ashraf, I was busy when market open. Uh, if thus divergence holds, then we can expect like till these lows at least. Mm. Yo, how do you earn in college? Many ways are there. Do clipping, bro. Go on walk, clip for people. They're gonna pay you a lot. Are you from my college though? Junior, okay. Try learning online. Yeah, do clipping or something. Or else try doing intern. That's the best way. If you're in a if you're a college student, what else can you do? I'll never know. Okay, that's annoying. So look at this. Everything is right. Why is gold red? Here it should be green. Daily candles green. Why is the platform so similar to Top Step? Because they also use the same platform. The same as Top Step, bro. Because they also use the same platform. Literally, I'll log it later if I lose. I can enter one more though. Sell three more. I did invert this. Risk management has left the chart. Nah, it's fine. Wait, stop dot, yeah. Uh, Gonna be out for a while though, because literally we found like CISD here. Okay, that also didn't work. Price is too bullish, but this is way behaving way too differently than this. This is not the price action I want to trade. I wanted to make this in the future. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even I would have looked for buys when the session open. But to go higher, it should go lower, right? I was waiting for retracement. Wow, there's literally no candle went below. If this would have crossed here, I would have put my stops to break even. I would have trailed it till here. Should have been like this. So it's what is this? How is CPI report negative and market is bullish? Was it loading so much? Mm. How is dollar moving down and NAS moving higher? Nothing is matching today. Dollar should have pumped, if NAS is going that high. How is every single pair red today? See, dollar is crashing, they have to be bullish. This is why Trump claims that there's no inflation may clash with the latest consumer price data. That happened yesterday, the tariffs between China and US, but it's only for a month though. Damn, today we had good good buy side curve. Yeah, news does play a important role. How's gold? Gold has triple high. Look at the divergence again. Yeah, today's nothing is matching. It will take out these highs now. I thought this divergence would help me. It sucks. It doesn't even find. Better to put session. Session. This trade was nice though. I got one raise too. I did hit break even, but I took partial share here. Hey, I'll watch how it goes. Yeah, what's up, Mr. Dollar? Hey, what is happening? Did you see this candle? Nah, I'm gonna stay out. Saw a 1 minute spike. Like, yeah, there's nothing much to see. Price was too bullish today. I'm I'm scared to like go for sales right now. You saw this candle? It just came up. See, there's no topic bottom, no topic bottom. It means that there's good volume that's pushing to the upside. So many candles, so one, two, three, four. There's no bottom wick here. How's the weekly candle? Today's Tuesday, and look at how bullish the weekly candle is. We are into this for a while. I might react because this is the extreme premium one. This whole price action is bad. This whole it's just consolidating and then pushing to the upside. There's no volume and there's expansion. Here also same thing. Yeah, so many candles with no wicks only. Yeah, about to, even I was looking for that because from this side to this low, there's no retracement. Price has to correct itself. Just going higher and higher. Yeah, yeah, I do trade ICT. You have Discord. I do have Discord. It's in my description, I guess. Is it there on my description? Yeah, it's there on my description. What's the time? 9 to, yeah, the volume gonna die. It's mainly waiting mode. How often do you go live? It used to be too often. Now I stop. Uh, but I feel like at least like thrice a day, thrice a week, something like that. I'm trying to like avoid this condition. I need like good displacement to the downside. I'll wait for like another 15 minutes if I get. Then I'll see if I can plan for like one more trade, or otherwise I'll go. Right now, right now it's giving me no reasons to buy or no reasons to like sell also. The thing is that I don't trade PM session. See, what can you expect from this price action? Yeah, it's moving nicely now. It enters three contracts here. Last trade though. Let's see. We'll see if we can get any price action from this. Nice displacement. So we did invest this. We have CISD here. Last trade though. Yeah, if it retraces back, I might enter one more, like two more contracts. Yeah, nice volume. If it comes to retrace, like retest it again, I'm gonna enter like two more contracts. Where do I enter? Okay, shorts here. Damn, nice volume though. Should have entered like two more contracts. But yeah, it's fine. Two good volume. So this is might trail it though. Yeah, yeah, I know. This is holding. Contracts there. I took a little more like contracts after this. Where are they? You want to know the chart colors? It's this though. It's white, no color. It says this gray, and same thing here. And there's a little more whiter one. I'm saying how this 30-minute candle closes. Like 1 hour candle. It closes in like 6 minutes. I want this candle to like close bearish. I want this gap to get involved in like 5 minutes. Not 5, 3 minutes, I guess. Yeah, 3 minutes. This is like too nice displacement. Nice closure here. Oh, I have 20 on WhatsApp. Damn. I think this is the highest. I want this gap to like get inverse and then push lower because we displaced very nicely from here to here. I'll I don't want this to be like liquidity sweep and then just push higher. What? Ah, even I would have waited for SMT, but this is something that happens at 9:30, around 9, 9:30. I don't want this to be like liquidity sweep. I want it to like push lower like this. If it doesn't like push through like great volume, I might consider closing somewhere here if it gives. I'm still getting used to how many contracts I have to use. I'm sticking with 5 to 6. My meaning is, yeah, that's what I want. I'm a tape of 3 here. I'll manage risk. Okay, so the whole price is bullish. So I just want to close half here and let's see if we can get the runners run till here. They're just waiting though now. I've done my work. Don't tell me we are forming bullish S&P thousands here. Yeah, we are forming bullish. Five 62 contracts waiting for 5920. You're waiting for it order book to come here. Damn. I'm feeling like when I push lower, yeah, like way too good volume. This is what I like want to see as a price action. There we go, order filled. 3 more contracts. I'm reducing my stop to this side. Where it like TP1. I just closed half here. We'll see if we can dump more. Because if you look at this, where is it? I wanted to dump even more, I wanted to go till here. This is actually my final take profit if I want to take. If you plot out like standard deviation. Wait. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, safe. If you draw standard deviation from that, yeah, this is nice area though. target this. Did you enter from the breaker block? No, no, I entered from that 30-minute inversion. 30 seconds, sorry. Where was that? We inversed this gap on 30-second, and then we formed a clear CSD. So I just entered after this. This this feels like nice liquidity. How much did I make? I didn't know how much contract size to put on. 131 in 3. That was good. Oh, sorry. Feel like we're retracing higher. Stops are at break even. If the whole bus is bullish, that's why I'm like managing my risk here. Otherwise, I would have waited, I would have holded my TP a little more further. I entered from inversion, not from breaker block. Because from now on, I don't know what price wants to do. Because this might be liquidity sweep, this might be liquidity sweep, and then we can grab this and then push higher. So on a bullish condition, it's better to put stops at break even. Starting the first trade was bad though. I didn't know how much size to risk. I messed up my risk management there. Because this is like really new account. I don't know how much to put on. Put it till here because I feel like this inversion will protect it. So if we fail this, we're gonna go higher till this side gets taken out. So it's better to put it here. Either I get 15 or 135. That's fine. I'm gonna make it like 1 minute chart, so it's comfortable to look at. Should I rest though? Starting trade only I messed up. This was bad. Later it was fine. This like clearly new account, so I have to get adjusted. And this is my first time using futures. I used to trade Forex, so the Forex performance way different than futures. But it hit the two, like minus two deviation. Nice, nice volume. Your TP will hit, bro. It's unicorn. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, it is an unicorn model. What's a unicorn model? It's nothing but a breaker block aligned with a fair value gap. I want to play that order filled song. I feel like today I had the most like views. Yeah, because of the timing. It's either it's win-win situation. Either it's like close at like break-even type, or else you get good profits. Still, I'll be down though. That's the problem. I didn't know how to size properly. I made really bad mistakes. These three are fine. Only this one is the problem. I have to learn. I learn to like adjust the sizes. Cause on Forex, what I used to do, there's a button called as risk. If you press it, you can like manage risk according to that. Bro, nah, it's bad. How though suddenly got stopped at break even. That's fine. This is why I hate. Look at this. There's no bottom. Like, suddenly some spike came. Today it's fine. Bullish day is still a nice trade. Oh, yeah, it was nice to put stops at break even. Because look at this though. What is this? It's a Drake size candle. Yeah, I was still trading. I'll come tomorrow. Now what happened? We took out this liquidity. We actually like touched exactly the -2 deviation and then it's just pumping. I felt like it'll go till this -4 also. We had like good liquidity. This market is really bad though. It shouldn't happen like this. And now we are dumping. This is like a sus move. I don't know. It usually happens when it's like when it takes liquidity or something. So imagine the candle is somewhere here and the liquidity is here. It just comes, takes, and then it moves in the opposite direction. Here there's nothing. Yeah, one candle engulfed the whole session. Like that it was. Look at this though. Everything is red on the right side. How if dollar is bad, gold actually pumps, I don't know why the data is not showing here. It should be blue or green. See silver also. That's also crazy, man. Yeah, it's better to stop trading now. I'm gonna put lock here. Uh, First, what's the time? I was gonna lock me for 24 hours. Now look, coming down again. This is very sus, man. I know the draws on liquidity is lower. I want this low to get taken out at least. This is like too obvious, bro. And it's projecting that -4 deviation. So yeah, and the discounted area or the equilibrium is still here. This is the discounted area, and we have good lows here. That's it for the day. Green. Yeah, I feel like in like 3 4 days I might do this. I'll clear this like 4 5 days. I really put like bad position sizing. What was that? Three. The first trade itself should have gone like with less size. We'll make this green. How many trades did I take today? How is it six though? Oh, I added here. Was it? Was it? It should have been three trades. I took three trades, not six. So this, it's fine. Yeah, tomorrow we'll do. Is it doing future? Yeah, look at this. We just came, took me out, and it's pushing lower now. When was this gap here? This is like a clean draw. I really want to enter, but I'll stop myself from entering here. Yeah, that's over the day. We'll meet again. Bye bye. I'm gonna see how it goes though. That's not the problem. So, nice one. Bye bye. Do join this thing though, Discord.